This video, we're going to talk about version rollback in WishList member. So again, go to WishList member, administration, and version rollback. And this is, again, pretty straightforward to allow you to roll back to previous versions of WishList member. So if for some reason you upgrade and then want to roll back, you can use this to do that. Now, keep in mind, this does not roll back any member or site settings. So this is not a settings rollback. It's simply a version rollback. So if you're looking for settings that you want to go back to, you would go to the backup section here. But if you want to revert to a previous version of WishList member, this is what you would use this for. Also, any customizations you may have made to the core code of WishList member will be lost when you do this. So keep that in mind. Now, in terms of this list here that we see, you can see that we have a list of certain versions of WishList member here, and we can either roll back, we can download that version, or we can delete this rollback from this list. Okay, so it's pretty straightforward to do the rollback. You just click the rollback button, and WishList member will, if we click this, it will ask you if you confirm that you want to do that. You hit yes, and then it'll roll back to that particular version. In terms of what shows up here, first off, it's officially released versions of WishList member. So those are what qualify to show up here, and then any that have been installed on this particular site. So, however, depending on how long WishList member has been installed on this site, you'll have more or less showing up in this list. So, and that'll allow you to roll back to those different versions. So that's pretty much it. That is version rollback in WishList member.